Domino's Germany has been around for a while, but we really got serious in 2016 when we bought the market leader, Joey's Pizza, with over 200 stores. And we converted them to Domino's. And ever since, we've been organically opening a lot of stores. And that's what brought us to Speakap. The reason we chose for Speakap, or Domino's Chat as we call it, DC in the office slang, is at Domino's we say number one in people, number one in pizza. Which means we can only be the number one in pizza if we are the number one in people, and people crave connection. And Speakap does that for us. It's part of the way that we connect all our team members, not just inside of their stores, but throughout the whole of Germany.
Mein Team sieht aktuell so aus, dass ich hauptsächlich mit meinen Franchise-Partnern kommuniziere und unseren 8 Store-Managers in den Stores, und natürlich täglich bei 130 Mitarbeitern liegt natürlich auch eine Menge an. Ich denke, mit DC sind die Menschen draußen in den Stores absolut definitiv motivierter, da Erfolge geteilt werden. Jeder wird gesehen aus meiner Sicht im System, das heißt vom Fahrer bis zum Store Manager oder Franchisee, alle durch die Bank, und das freut natürlich jeden. Jeder erhält gerne Lob, und man kann es so auch direkt an den Mitarbeiter im Store weitergeben.
DC has become an everyday communication tool for us, and everyone is using it. It's a really practical tool for the internal communication in our headquarters, but also to our partners, and it makes the communication very transparent.
We have a very recognizable app which you open, you see the Domino's colors, the Domino's branding, and a new employee will straight away see, I'm part of the Domino's family. It is absolutely amazing because Domino's Chat helped us to build up on our company culture. It's very important for us to share wins and to share best practice examples so we can learn from each other.
Domino's Chat allows our Dominoids, as we like to call ourselves, to take part in the communication no matter where they are, no matter where they work. And what we say of ourselves, we are hungry for feedback. DC helps us to receive and provide feedback, and like this perfectly fits into our corporate values.